everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually going to be reviewing some slimes what I ordered. Now, little sneak peek. I'm only joking. I didn't order them. I actually made these slimes. And if you want to see a slime collection, then comment down below. And I don't know what I'm going to be calling my channel. I don't know what I'm going to be calling it, but you can comment down some suggestions. But anyways, let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to go from the oldest to the most recent. So I do have a bigger version of this, but it's right over there and I can't be bothered to move. But yeah, really cool. And it's actually quite nice. It looks really cool. It looks way better in real life though. And I mean, it's better as the bigger version, not as a small, but anyways. And then the second one is this. My phone's ringing. Okay, sorry guys, that was just my friend. She's still ringing me, but I don't really care. Bye bye. Sorry if it rings again, but yeah, anyways, let me carry on with this. So this is a flom. You might not be able to see the beads, but you'll be able to see it when I open it. And there you go, it's definitely really nice. Also, before I do the last slime, well, not really last slime, but the next slime, I just wanted to say, what do you want me to call you guys? Because, I don't want to be calling you guys. I might call you the I Squad, and then I'm going to be calling myself, I don't know. I might be calling myself, let me think of a name. I might be calling myself Rebel Riri, but I don't know yet. I might be calling myself Rebel Ree. I don't know yet. I really need a name, but I don't know. Let me try and think of another. Okay, so I finally thought of a name. I'm gonna be called Crazy Ree, because I am a bit crazy. So guys, I think this is gonna be my last slime because my camera is going to die. So the last slime is this one. I know it's not that full. It was full. Where did all my slime go? Did it shrink or something? This is like a farting one. It's so good. And it is actually pretty good with poking, but it's not the best for stretching. But let's do a bubble test. Well, I can't do one. I mean, it is a bit stretchy, but you can do swirls with it. That's a good thing. So, yeah guys, sorry this has been a really short video. But yes, I am back on the channel. My name's going to be called Crazy Ree. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want, you can come and join the Craze Squad by subscribing and turning my post notifications on. And when done that, you can comment down below. And also, notification squad, where you at? But yeah guys, I'm going to be seeing you all next time. Anyways, Craze Squad, goodbye.